everyone, welcome back. Today we're at the stunning METT Beach Resort Hotel in Bodrum. After a 40-minute of scenic car ride, we've finally arrived and I can't wait to show you guys the amazing room we'll be staying in. So they're doing our check-in there and asked us to wait here. So wow, I am absolutely in love.
So this is our room.
Yes, welcome. So when you enter, there's like wardrobes to your left side, plenty of space in here, and then there's more wardrobes in here. Oh, and there's like a bathrobe in there, ironing board, locker. Oh, there's a few like other stuff. There's a whole like shoe cleaning set in here. Just lots of storage. And to the right side we have like a wash basin and like vanity setup. There's like drawers here. And then that's a hair dryer. And then we've got like a few toiletries in here. What's this?
It says in the name.
For
him.
Him. What's for him? What do you think it is for you?
It's
probably like shaving set and stuff. So there's a dental kit. There's a nail file. Shaving kit. Oh, that's a polar shaving kit, by the way. Nice. There's a bath
loofah.
Comb.
I think you're gonna get the same.
Vanity kit. I think something might be different in there, but I guess it's gonna be probably the same. And then we also got like some mint here, and there's like a cute little shell here. Yeah. And then here we have the actual toilet. That's the toilet with a bidet. And then to this side we have a walk-in shower with a shower head on the top, and then you have your other shower head, and there's like an area to sit down if you're tired. And then you can sit there. It's so nice. It's towels. And then to this side we have our mini bar and tea coffee section. So all of this tea and coffee and water is complimentary. And then we have the mini bar, which of course we wouldn't need, but that's there for the ones who need it. And then there's the mini bar, and we've got some snacks in here, more snacks, and then we've got like a bench there for like luggage and stuff, or just to chill. So that's the bed. That's a super king size. It's a very pretty room, and then they also kept one like beach bag here that I can use when we go to the beach, which I'm so looking forward to. And then here we have a TV, and here's like a little coffee area. And then they also gave us some Turkish delights as compliments. And then to the best part of the room, which is the balcony. Look at that. Look at that view. So we've got the sea view room. That's the balcony. That's like a seating area outside. This is so beautiful. I'm in love. We're on our way to an incredible Michelin star restaurant just a 5-minute walk from the METT Resort. But why walk when the hotel offers a super convenient buggy service? The restaurant isn't just about amazing food, it has breathtaking views of Bodrum city. Honestly, this feels like luxury at its finest. We're heading to get breakfast, which was included in our stay in this cozy restaurant.
Good morning.
Morning. So we are at the breakfast restaurant. That's the view from the restaurant. Yeah, it's more like traditional Turkish breakfast, and they also have options for like international breakfast and stuff.
This is the pastry filler cheese.
Gozlem.
This is, look at the glaze on that.
Sukuk?
Beautiful.
What is it called? Sukuk?
Sukuk, yeah.
Yeah. So I got some cereal and continental breakfast, which included this bread basket, butter, jam, meat and cheese plate,
The famous menemen.
and orange juice.
The menemen.
What's this called?
Menemen. It's
Yeah.
famous Turkish egg dish.
Because I got a la carte.
Accommodations.
Yeah, it looks like very like shakshuka. Yum. So this is the gozlem. It's a Turkish dish for breakfast, basically like a flatbread with their traditional cheese in it. So far our favorite for Turkish breakfast is this gozlem thing. The sausage, their sausage is so different than usual sausages. So if you're not a sausage person, still try it because it's not the regular sausage.
After breakfast, we're making our way to the private beach here at the METT Resort, and I have to say the walk alone is so relaxing. Just look at that view, crystal clear blue water and the perfect spot to unwind. The view is absolutely stunning, which is one of the biggest highlights of staying here. So this is the indoor pool, which is facing the infinity pool and the beach outside.
We've moved from the beach to the pool because that was way too cold.
So here there's no Uber. Like get the hotel to call us a taxi.
Head to Bodrum Castle.
So guys, that's it for this video. Next up, we'll show you guys our stay in Bodrum and all the amazing spots that we've discovered. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to catch it. Like and comment if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next one.